Welcome to the installation video for the 445 VB Vanity Outlet Grooming Organizer in a face frame cabinet. Before we begin, you'll need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a 3/8 inch wrench or nut driver, a mallet, an awl, tape measure, pencil, and tape. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a 445 base unit with bins, number 8 by 3/4 inch panhead screws, number 8 by 1/2 inch panhead screws, number 6 by 1/2 inch flathead screws. Place the unit on its side and lift the slide set. Squeeze each of the release triggers to remove the slide set from the unit. Measure to find the center of your cabinet opening and gently mark with your pencil. Place the template inside the face frame and align the center marks. Tape in place. Use an awl and mallet to mark the pilot hole locations. There are 4 in the front and 4 in the middle. There is also a cluster of 3 holes in the back of the template. Pre-drill the 11 holes using your 3/32 inch bit. Next, detach the end piece of the wire chain. Secure the end piece to the cabinet floor using the number 6 by 1/2 inch flathead screws. Before putting the slide set inside the cabinet, loosen the 2 screws on the adjustable side bracket. Align the slide set over the pre-drilled holes and secure to the floor using the number 8 by 3/4 inch panhead screws. Place the adjustable slide bracket flush with the side wall and retighten the screws. Then pre-drill the 2 holes in the side wall. Secure using the number 8 by 1/2 inch panhead screws. A wire clamp may be installed to an undesignated area on the back of the cabinet to help secure the cord. Reattach the chain from the unit to the end piece secured to the cabinet floor. Run the cord through the wire clamp. Next, set the unit over the slides and push to engage. You should hear a click. Use your 3/8 inch wrench or nut driver to loosen the 4 lock nuts located inside the front wall of the unit. Extend the adjustable mounting brackets just over the face frame's edge. Measure the distance from the bottom edge of the opening to the slotted holes and record those values. Next, measure the cabinet opening and then measure the door size. Take the difference of these 2 numbers and divide by 2. This number is the door overlay or inset gap. In our case, the door is larger than the opening, so we will add the door overlay to each of the slotted hole dimensions. If your door is smaller than the opening, subtract the inset gap from the slotted hole dimensions. Measuring from the bottom of the door, transfer those dimensions to the center of the thick portion of the door. A template can be made for multiple installations. Prior to pre-drilling, it's always a good idea to note the thickness of the door. Add some tape to your drill as a guide to keep you from drilling all the way through the door. Pre-drill the holes using your 3/32 inch bit. Attach your door using the number 6 by 1/2 inch screws. Precisely adjust the door skew by sliding the adjustable mounting brackets left or right as needed. Tilt can be adjusted by turning the outer screws so that it pushes against the metal bracket. Each corner is able to be adjusted independently. Once adjustments are made, secure the brackets. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.